Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to create and register an AnyDesk account. So kung ano bang ibig sabihin ng AnyDesk? So AnyDesk is a remote desktop software that enables users to access and control computers remotely, allowing for efficient support, collaborations, and management of IT tasks from any locations. So nagamit ko na rin ito guys last week dahil may in-install ako dito na software, and then tinulungan ako kung paano to install gamit ang AnyDesk software. So napakadali lang na gamitin ito, and then trusted mo yung taong gagamit or mag-access ng iyong AnyDesk number ay pwedeng-pwede po siya. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to install and download AnyDesk software. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on Chrome browser. So any browser yung pwede mong gamitin ay pwede po siya. And then click mo lang yan. And dito sa searching address bar, type mo lang dito yung AnyDesk. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung AnyDesk homepage. And then kailangan mo lang itong install or i-download. So napakadali lang naman yan install or i-download. I-click mo lang yan and automatic na mag-install kaagad. Right? So once na-install mo na siya, and then open lang natin yung ating software. Ayan, so na-open na natin yung ating AnyDesk software kung paano ba mag-create or mag-register ng account. So dito lang sa top right corner, makikita mo dito yung icon profile na yan. So i-click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung register account. So tap mo lang yan. And then register account. So I use AnyDesk 2. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then kailangan mo lang mag-select dito kung saan mo gagamitin yung account na to. Kung support family and friends, connect to my personal devices privately, work from home, provide support to colleagues, support customers remotely, connect to my organization devices. So select ka lang dito kung saan mo gagamitin tong AnyDesk software. And then select lang tayo. And next step, so first name, lagay lang natin yung ating first name. And then last name. And then email address. So active na email address yung ilalagay natin dito kasi may sisend dito na AnyDesk na pwede nating pang-verify. And make sure na tama yung email address. And then create ka lang dito ng password. So sa pag-create naman ng password, so gamitin mo lang yung upper and lower case number with the combinations of sign and numbers, mga kaibigan. And then repeat password. And once nakapag-create ka na ng password, so dito naman sa baba, so I agree to sign up for additional marketing communications. Check mo lang yan. And then I agree with the terms and conditions. So bago tayo mag-proceed, pwede mo naman i-view dito yung kanyang terms and conditions para maalam mo lahat kung ano yung mga importante informations na nandito sa AnyDesk bago tayo mag-proceed. And then once na-complete mo na dito yung first name, last name, email address, password, and then dito sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung register account. So i-click mo lang yan. Ayan, so verifying email address. An email has been sent to this, yung nilagay natin ng email address. To verify your email address, please check your emails inbox. Okay, so check lang natin yung ating emails. Ayan, so makita mo na dito yung ating emails from AnyDesk. So please click here to verify your account. So click mo lang yan. And then perform the following actions. So verify email. So click mo lang dito yung click here to proceed. And then back to applications. Alright, so back lang tayo doon. Click mo lang yan. Ayan. So nakapag-register na tayo. And then login lang tayo dito. Sa pag-login ng account, so ilagay mo lang dito yung nilagay mo na email address and then yung password. Ayan mga kaibigan. So makikita mo na nakapag-create na tayo ng ating account. Nakapag-register na tayo dito sa AnyDesk account. So makikita mo na yung ating account dito and profile. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to create and register an AnyDesk account. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.